A very good morning. Today we are going to learn about Protochordata. Protochordata is a part of vertebrata. These actually shows the characters between the invertebrates and vertebrates. It has certain characters of vertebrates but lacks many characters of vertebrates. So it has been categorized in a different group called Protochordata. So protochordates are said to be as the lower chordates, and they normally live in marine sea and whatever marine waters normally. They actually lacks the head part and the cranium part, that is the brain part, in their head region, and that is why it is not having the proper criteria overall, which is found in chordates. And due to the lack of cranium, it is also known as acraniata. Acraniata means which doesn't have cranium. Protochordates are divided into three groups. They are hemichordata, urochordata, and cephalochordata. This is the overall classification of chordata, which is first divided into protochordata and vertebrata, also known as acraniata and craniata, depending upon the presence of cranium and absence of cranium. Protochordata is again further divided into hemichordata, urochordata, and cephalochordata. Moreover, vertebrata are also next divided into agnatha and gnathostomata. So gnathostomata are normally referred to all the tetrapods which are having four legs. Agnatha includes cyclostomata and ostracoderm. Normally the eel fishes and cyclostomes are included in agnatha. Coming to the general characteristics, we have already said that protochordata are normally marine. The notochord is present throughout the lifetime. Pharyngeal gill slits are present. Body lacks head. They are triploblastic, that means have 3 germ layers and have a definite coelom. The organization level is organ system. That means organ systems are seen in their development. Their sexes are separate, that is they have different male and female individuals. They are bilaterally symmetrical. So here we can see the insects. What bilaterally symmetrical is, when an animal is divided into equal two halves in only one plane, it is called bilaterally symmetrical. Coming to the phylogeny part, protochordates are evolved from the protozoa, as we know that all the animals are evolving from the primitive protozoans. So the protozoans is first divided into two branches, porifera and coelenterate. These coelenterate again is divided into two lineages, namely protostomes and deuterostomes. So the protostomes goes forward and it forms the further invertebrate phylums except echinoderms, which are mollusca, platyhelminths, annelids, arthropods, all have been emerged from protostomes. And deuterostomes have gone forward to the chordata, including echinoderms of the invertebrates. So deuterostomes have emerged into hemichordates and echinoderms simultaneously, and then one lineage from this is emerging to protochordates, and finally the third lineage gives birth to vertebrates. So by coming closely or seeing it closely, deuterostomes have developed gill slits, dorsal hollow nerve cords, and they have been recognized as hemichordata. Then again, having or adopting more characters like notochords and post-anal tail in the tadpole larvas and all, when these characters were evolved, and that became a separate group known as Urochordata, which is another group of protochordates. Moreover, certain more characters, say for example, all the other characters like cerebrum and vertebral column and all, everything have been developed, or the vertebral column is, or sorry, the notochord is seen in the whole lifetime from the larval stages to the adult stage, and this particular group was known as Cephalochordata. And after developing all the characters, vertebral characters, the other group has been gone to the gone on, they have been evolved to the vertebrates. So this was all about the protochordate general characteristics, classification, type, and how it evolved, or through which lineages the protochordates have evolved. And moreover, another video is being attached with this, which is taken from Google, that will also help in elaborating certain things, or for to understand certain things how they remain. Thank you. Please look over the video also, that will be helpful.